Hello everyone, my name is Ritisha Patel and today I am going to tell you a story about coronavirus. One day, a man lived in the city of Wuhan in China went to a non-veg shop. Not any non-veg shop, but dangerous poison dead animal shop. He went near, gave money to the shopkeeper and ate a dead snake from the shop. When he ate it, he went back home and slept. In the morning, he woke up with different type of diseases like sneezing, coughing and long time flu. So, he decided to go to his friend's house and discuss what to do. When he reached to his friend's house, he hugged his friend lovingly. Before he could say a single word, he sneezed, achoo. When he stopped sneezing, his friend sneezed, achoo. Now both had the same problem. So they went to their third friend's house. When they came inside and shook hands with their third friend, before they could say a word, they sneezed again. Achoo! When they stopped, the third friend sneezed. Like this, coronavirus was spread all over the world. But one day, India developed a vaccine called Covaxin. So, they distributed it to everyone to protect it from coronavirus. Thus, India lived happily ever after. The end. Thank you.